Hello everyone, I is Tish Kumar, lecturer in English in SURAJ School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic invitation writing. In my last video, I told you about an example which was based on formal printed invitation. In today's video, now I am going to tell you another example which is based on formal printed invitation. Okay. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. There is another question which is based on formal printed invitation. You are a student of ABC School Delhi. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday 4th Feb 2000 2022. Okay. Design an invitation card to be sent to the parents. Okay. First of all, according to the structure, we should try to write host. In that type of question, you should write in this way. First of all, you should mention the principal, staff and student of ABC School Delhi. This part of the invitation relate host. Okay. And after that, you should mention introductory line. Request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the. After that, you should mention occasion. Okay. After occasion, you should mention details of their school at 11 a.m. on Saturday 4th Feb 2022. Clear? Sri M.M. Joshi IAS. If there is no detail given in the question, then you can write detail according to your own way. You can write any name. If there is no name is given in the question, will be the chief guest and give away the prize to the students. Okay. After that, RSVP. In the ending of the formal printed invitation from the left side of the page, you should mention RSVP. RSVP, I told you in my last video, response cell voice plate. Okay. In English, response in English, response if you please. Okay. Response if you please. The principal, ABC School Delhi, and after that phone number. Okay. This example is based on formal printed invitation. Okay. This example follow all type of characteristics which belongs to formal printed invitation. I mean to say that first of all we should mention name of host, and after that we should mention, first of all we should mention name of host. After that we should mention occasion. After that we should mention detail, and after that we should mention contact detail. Okay. After that we should make a box. We should remember one thing, that when you will write formal printed invitation, always try to write formal printed invitation You should cover 80 to 90% part of page. Okay. In today's video we have discussed about an example which is based on formal printed invitation. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.